Are you tired of always going out and going fishing and having to change your bait constantly and having to cut the line, switch your baits just because maybe it's not hitting on that particular bait that day? Well, let me show you a quick trick to make things just a little bit easier. Let's see. So on today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about using a basic swivel here to kind of shorten the time of having to exchange your baits out while you're out fishing, because that just takes time, right? This is probably a very simple trick. A lot of you may already know this, but for those that don't, you can use simple swivels like this to make things a little bit easier when it comes to changing baits. Let me show you just how we do it. Alright, so this is actually very simple. We're going to take our swivel, we're going to take our line, we're going to run it right through the eye there. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to tie a simple clinch knot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little twists. We're going to run the line down there, back through the loop, like so. There we go. Nice and tight. Now, something I like to do on knots like this, and I've been told before that no, it doesn't make any difference. I get it. I understand. It may not. But it's just something my grandpa always told me, and it's just something I always do. Just, honor his legacy. So basically what I like to do, once I tie my clinch knot, I come through and I just tie 1, maybe 2 little granny knots on top of it. Just to provide an extra little layer of anti-slipping, as we might call it. Alright, cut that excess line off. You take a lighter there if you want to burn that, just to give it a little extra oomph. Now, the easiest thing about these is, you'll see right here, all you gotta do is pinch it to open up that. Take one of your baits, feed it right through the eye, like so. Pinch it shut, and then there you go. Now, let's say you've been fishing for just a little while. This thing just ain't cutting it. Fish ain't biting. Alright, let's change it. Now, instead of having to cut your line, just pinch that again. Feed that back out. Grab your little spinner. Pop it on, clip it, and you are good to go again. So this does save a little bit of time out there. Is it useful for all baits? No. For example, I'll tell you. So let's take like a chatterbait, for example. Everything's tangled up. Let's take a chatterbait. You see how this comes out to a little loop right there? Sometimes it's better to just go ahead and tie the line directly to this. The reason is because if you attach this swivel to this, it's going to slide all over the place on this bar, which means when you throw it, your bait could get caught here and it may not move this just right. So on baits like this, I do not recommend to use the swivel, but on little things like these that just have that basic eye right there, you could easily use the swivel to make things just a tad bit easier when you're out fishing. Anyway, you guys, that's going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of tutorial about using swivel as a little bit of a shortcut when out fishing, changing your baits out and stuff like that. But if you did, I hope you like, comment, subscribe on this video, and keep it real. Until next time. See you later.